Okay, in a previous video I showed you how I added headlights and taillights to my Coleman CC100X mini bike. Well, since then, they've kind of fallen apart, so I'm gonna redo it. In the previous video I used kind of a light switch like this. It was mounted right here in this hole that I put here. But the wires had kind of corroded, there was rust around here. It just wasn't great for a bike that we kept parked outside sometimes. So I've taken it apart, I've ordered a new switch. Right here, I've mounted it on there already, and I'm just going to rewire this. In the meantime, I also discovered that the battery was dead and had gone bad, so I bought a new battery, and in this video I'm going to put together the new wiring, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I've got my test wiring set up. I've got the red positive from the battery, goes to the white on the switch. The red on the switch goes out to the headlight, red, and the black on the headlight basically is the ground, or neutral, goes back to the neutral on the battery. Now if I flip the switch, it works. Just got to repeat that and mesh in the tail light wires and get it all nicely set up, and we'll be good to go. Okay, I'm going to splice these wires together, get them ready for solder. There's my dog. There's my wife. What's up? Hi, Suki. Hi. How are you?
Okay, come on, Suki.
I'm gonna put a little rosin flux paste on the wires before I solder. Looks like a pretty decent solder for a rookie. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder these two together like this, and this will be the terminal connector. Twist them together. There's the solder going into the wire. It's pretty good solder. Got my heat gun. I'm going to shrink this shrink wrap up on there, leaving the tip. I'm going to shrink wrap this one too. I'm going to run a bigger piece of shrink wrap over the whole thing for a nice connection. Got everything wired. Just gonna zip tie some things up here to get things orderly. Do it kind of loose first, so I can adjust things later. One up here around the light switch. Make sure everything can still turn without pulling out any wire. That looks good. All right, here's an overview. All the wiring's done. And up to the switch. Okay, got the headlights all hooked up. See how they look? Yeah. See how the taillights look? Turn it off, back on. Very nice.